Hello students, welcome to the channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions class 11th and 12th, where we discuss the NCERT back exercises of physics, chemistry and biology on one single platform. And today we are discussing a chapter from biology, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. That is your first chapter from class 12th NCERT book. So children, they are asking you in question number 12, question number 11, that what is triple fusion, where and how does it take place, नेम द न्यूक्लिया इन्वॉल्व इन ट्रिपल फ्यूजन. तो बच्चों सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, ट्रिपल फ्यूजन क्या होता है, कहाँ पर होती है, कैसे होती है, और आपको उन न्यूक्लिया का नाम बताना है जिसकी हेल्प से ये ट्रिपल फ्यूजन हो रही है. तो सबसे पहले हमें समझना होगा चिल्ड्रन दैट इनसाइड द एम्ब्रियो सैक वी हैव स्टडीड द स्ट्रक्चर दैट देर आर 3 एंटीपोडल सेल्स टूवर्ड्स द चालिजल एंड. ये 3 एंटीपोडल सेल्स हैं. सेंटर में 2 पोलर न्यूक्लियाई हैं इन द लार्ज सेंट्रल सेल. 2 पोलर न्यूक्लियाई आर देयर. 2 polar nuclei are there, and on the micropylar end we have a large egg cell and 2 smaller synergids. So this is one large egg cell. So children, what is going to happen कि जब भी pollen tube germinate करेगी तो it will enter into the ovule and it will enter into the embryo sac from the micropylar end. तो micropylar end से entry होगी pollen tube की inside the embryo sac. अब जब pollen tube यहाँ पर enter करेगी, this is the pollen tube, right? pollen tube enter करेगी तो it will be directed towards the egg cell. egg cell में सबसे पहले जाएगी and it will release the first gamete. first gamete यहाँ पर fuse करेगा with the egg cell and it will result into a structure called zygote. it will result into a structure called zygote. फिर ये male gamete जो है, जो second male gamete था, you know pollen tube is bringing 2 male gametes. Further it will release the male gamete into the cytoplasm of the central cell where the 3 nuclei, this is the male gamete and the 2 polar nuclei fuse together. So this is male gamete and you can clearly see these were 2 polar nuclei, right? These were 2 polar nuclei which fuse in the large central cell to give rise to a structure called when these 3 nuclei will fuse, they will give rise to a structure called PEN, that is primary endosperm nucleus, which further will develop into PEC, primary endosperm cell, and ultimately a structure of triploid level will be formed, that is endosperm. तो बच्चों क्या हुआ, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 2 पोलर न्यूक्लियाई और 1 मेल गेमीट ने फ्यूज़ किया तो यहाँ पर 3 न्यूक्लियाई फ्यूज़ किए. दैट्स वाई दिस इवेंट इज़ नोन एज ट्रिपल फ्यूजन. That's why this event is known as triple fusion, right? कहाँ पर हुआ है ये event? It has taken place in the embryo sac. कितने nuclei और कौन कौन से nuclei involved हैं? There are 2 polar nuclei and 1 male gamete involved in the fusion of triple nuclei. So I hope it is clear. Let's write the answer now. First of all, we have to answer what is triple fusion. So triple fusion is the process of fusion of 2 polar nuclei and 1 male gamete in the cytoplasm, in the basically embryo sac, in the cytoplasm of the embryo sac, and if you want to specify the location you can write it in the bracket that it is occurring in the central cell, large central cell. Right? Clear to you? Second question that they had asked is where and how does it take place? So we have already written it takes place by fusion of 3 nuclei, that is 2 polar nuclei and 1 male gamete, right? And where is it taking place? In cytoplasm of the large central cell of embryo sac, right? embryo sac के अंदर हो रहा है central cell में. What are the 3 nuclei involved? They are asking you name the nuclei involved in triple fusion. So we have named it already many times, but we'll write it again that it involves fusion of 2 polar nuclei and 1 male gamete. So I hope children this concept of triple fusion is clear to you now and you can answer this question clearly. So children, see you in the next session. Till then, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions. Take care. Bye bye.